For many people, a sharp design and the roar of the engine feel exciting, maybe even worth the price. But that thrill fades. Paint dulls, scratches appear, and parts start to wear. You've seen it. Cars that once impressed, now sitting in junkyards. They're not always old. They were just built to shine for a short time. Walk through any lot, and the truth is clear. Cars that once turned heads now sit silent, forgotten, replaced. Hondas are different. Year after year, through traffic, long drives, and everyday mistakes, they keep going. This isn't a chance. It's smart engineering, quiet and precise, built to last. Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover 7 hidden features most people never notice, but that quietly keep Hondas running strong mile after mile. Strong, efficient starting system. Let's begin with the starting system and uncover the hidden quality no other brand offers. This is the most important system in a car. It must engage the moment you turn the key. A weak battery or engine can make starting frustrating, but Honda ensures even a weaker engine gets a powerful crank. The secret is the generator starter system, found in many Civics and hybrid models. Unlike a traditional starter, which slowly spins the engine before ignition, the generator starter spins it faster and more consistently, delivering a smooth, reliable start every time. This isn't just convenience, it's durability in action. Cars start hundreds of times each year, and conventional starters gradually wear from repeated stress. Honda combines the starter and generator into a single high-efficiency unit, minimizing friction, heat, and strain. Especially in winter, the generator starter engages instantly with no hesitation. Weak batteries or worn motors in other cars can delay starts and stress engine components. Honda's design reduces wear, cuts repairs, and ensures performance that lasts. A small system with a big impact, proof of Honda's philosophy. Every detail matters, even in routine moments. Precision manufacturing. At the top of automotive engineering, attention to detail sets Honda apart. From the moment you drive off the lot, it's evident. Systems that work together smoothly, efficiently, and built to last. A perfect example is the continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which delivers both fuel efficiency and effortless performance. Unlike a traditional automatic, a CVT doesn't shift through fixed gears. Instead, it uses a steel belt and 2 variable pulleys to continuously adjust the ratio between engine and wheels. This allows the engine to stay in its most efficient range, improving fuel economy and eliminating the shift shock felt in conventional automatics. Engineering goes further with advanced control systems like G-Design shift control. Acceleration feels natural and responsive, perfectly in sync with the driver's intentions while maintaining smoothness. The result is a CVT that's efficient, refined, and satisfying to drive. Refinement doesn't happen overnight. Honda has been developing CVTs since the mid-1990s, making them a staple in models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and HR-V. Decades of experience, combined with precise engineering, give these transmissions durability and consistent performance, even over hundreds of thousands of miles. Low-stress engineering and friction management. Every engine battles friction and heat. Metal parts rubbing together generate stress, cause wear, and slowly reduce efficiency over time. Honda addresses this challenge at the heart of its engine design. Their naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines aren't built to chase peak horsepower. They're engineered to operate comfortably within their limits, avoiding the constant strain that accelerates wear. This approach keeps internal components moving smoothly, maintaining precise clearances and generating less heat, all while working in perfect balance. By controlling friction, distributing load evenly, and designing for moderate operating stress, Honda reduces the risk of early component failure. Fewer moving parts, minimized friction points, and simplified mechanical processes keep the engine environment stable, clean, and efficient. Oil flow, cooling, and tolerances are optimized to handle heat consistently, ensuring parts don't overwork and efficiency remains high. The benefits show over time. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, Honda engines stay smooth, responsive, and consistent. Components age gracefully, and overall longevity is enhanced. Simply put, Honda doesn't build engines to win short races. They build them to endure, mile after mile, year after year. Maintenance-friendly design practicality is at the heart of Honda's engineering. Cars are designed for real-world ownership, not just impressive specifications. Key components are easy to access, routine service is straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. This makes it easier for owners and mechanics to keep the car in top shape without delays or costly surprises. The effect on reliability is clear. When maintenance is simple, it actually gets done on time. Oil changes happen promptly. Worn belts and filters are replaced before they fail, and minor issues are addressed before they escalate. Compare that to vehicles where parts are hard to find or repairs require specialized knowledge. Maintenance is often deferred, and small problems can compound into major repairs. Honda's philosophy extends to modular systems and standardized components, from suspension parts to engine sensors, reducing both complexity and cost. Even hybrid models with IMA systems are designed so routine upkeep is manageable, preventing specialized repairs from becoming barriers to reliability. Simply put, a car that's easy to maintain stays dependable. By prioritizing accessibility, simplicity, and parts availability, Honda ensures minor issues are corrected before they grow, keeping the car reliable, mile after mile, year after year. Real-world durability. Every car shows its true character over time, not when it's new, not when it still shines, but after years of daily drives and long commutes. That's when most cars start to show wear. Sagging suspension, worn parts, even structural fatigue. Honda is different. Civics, Accords, CR-Vs. They routinely go past 300,000 miles without major repairs. That's not luck. It comes from engines built to run with low stress, precise manufacturing, controlled heat, and designs that make maintenance easy. Everything works together, and the car ages gracefully. Durability goes beyond the engine. Rust-proofing, reinforced chassis, and corrosion-resistant panels keep the structure solid. Suspension and drivetrain parts are made to last, keeping the car smooth and reliable for years. Simply put, Honda doesn't just build engines or frames. They build cars that endure as a complete system. Every part is made to handle real-world use, the elements, and the miles. That's why Hondas keep running long after many other cars have started to fall behind. Still drivable, even if hybrid system fails. One of the quiet but powerful strengths of Honda's hybrid technology is its real-world resilience. Unlike some hybrids that are tightly integrated and require expensive, specialized repairs if a component fails, Honda's Integrated Motor Assist (IMA) system is designed with simplicity and practicality in mind. The electric motor functions as a boost system, assisting the gasoline engine rather than being the sole source of propulsion. This means the car remains fully drivable even if the hybrid system degrades over time. Take, for example, a used 2011 Civic Hybrid. Even if the hybrid battery loses capacity, the engine and transmission continue to operate normally, often needing only minor adjustments, like adding an alternator to compensate for reduced charge. Contrast this with a Toyota Prius from the same era. Failure of the generator motor can require disassembling the engine and transmission, a repair that can cost thousands and leave the vehicle inoperable in the meantime. This approach reflects Honda's philosophy, practical engineering over flashy complexity. Drivers aren't stranded by system failures, and routine wear doesn't turn the car into a paperweight. By keeping the hybrid design modular, accessible, and low stress, Honda ensures long-term usability and reliability, reinforcing why these vehicles continue to serve owners for hundreds of thousands of miles. Simplicity over complexity. In an era where modern cars are increasingly filled with sensors, computer modules, and overlapping systems, Honda takes a different path: purposeful simplicity. By designing vehicles with fewer components, fewer electronics, and modular systems, Honda reduces potential failure points while maintaining all the functionality drivers expect. This philosophy is clear across the Civic and Accord lines. While competitors may stack hybrid systems with multiple motors, complex transmissions, and elaborate control networks, Honda keeps its approach straightforward and reliable. This Honda philosophy benefits in real life. Maintenance is faster and easier. Diagnosing issues requires less specialized knowledge. Parts are readily available, and repairs are simpler and more cost-effective. In contrast, a small failure in a highly complex hybrid can trigger cascading errors, shutting down multiple systems. Honda avoids this by keeping its designs modular, logical, and intuitive, so minor issues can be addressed without compromising the whole car. Even with advanced features like regenerative braking, hybrid boost motors, and CVT transmissions, Honda ensures the system is manageable and low stress, reducing long-term wear and repair costs. This approach translates into hundreds of thousands of miles of dependable operation, proving that by keeping complexity in check, Honda builds cars that don't just impress, they endure. As we wind up, one thing is clear: Honda's reliability isn't luck. It's in the engineering, the details most people never notice, and the way each car is built for the real world. That's why Hondas keep performing, stay safe, hold their value, and earn drivers' trust. In a world where most cars don't last, Honda proves it's more than a car. It's a lifetime companion, built to thrive on every road ahead.